Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Cincinnati Insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Cincinnati Insurance, start by visiting their official website. On the home page, look for the Contact Us section, usually found at the top or bottom of the page. Click on the Contact Us link to access their communication options. You will find various ways to reach out, including phone numbers, email addresses, and a contact form. If you prefer to call, note the customer service phone number listed there. Make sure to have your policy number handy for quicker assistance. If you choose to email, compose a detailed message explaining your inquiry or issue. If you opt for the contact form, fill in all required fields, providing as much detail as possible. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation message indicating they received your request. For immediate assistance or inquiries, consider using the live chat feature, if available. This is often located in the lower right corner of the website. Just click on the chat icon and follow the prompts to connect with a representative. If you need help with a specific agent, visit the Find an Agent section on their site. You can enter your location to find an agent near you for personalized service. Once you locate an agent, reach out directly via the provided contact details. Remember to prepare any necessary information for your conversation to ensure a smooth experience. For additional resources, explore the FAQs section on their website. This section can provide answers to common questions without needing to contact support. If you're looking for specific forms or documents, check the Resources or Downloads area. By following these steps, you can easily connect with Cincinnati Insurance for assistance. Make sure to keep records of your communications for future reference. Engaging with Cincinnati Insurance is straightforward and designed to assist you effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.